Wholeness and Balance Vibrations, everyone. Thanks for taking the time and the opportunity. I'm Sevan Bomar, and today I'm here to talk to you about something amazing. Hydrogen is a key to a big situation that we're dealing with right now in relation to bacteria and immunity, amongst many other things. We've been working for years to bring forth something that we feel is going to be instrumental in the way of water for everyone that has the opportunity to benefit from it. And today I'm bringing you Hydrolux, which is a premium molecular hydrogen generator that you're able to use on the go and even share with your friends. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So when you receive your Hydrolux, it'll arrive in this container, and you will find your Hydrolux inside of this tube. You can actually use this tube as a protective element for if you're going to take the Hydrolux somewhere or if you want to store it. Once you open your Hydrolux, you'll find that you have your power supply contained within the unit here, which you're going to remove. But also there's a protective seal that is protecting the membrane on the base of the unit here. And so you're going to just remove the cap. You're going to remove that seal. You might as well take that time and opportunity to go ahead and remove the power device that is attached and go ahead and screw that back on. Now, we've left specific instructions about how to get this device ready to go. You're going to need to soak the membrane for about 4 hours before you do make your first brew of molecular hydrogen. However, I'm just going to talk to you about a few of the benefits of this particular unit because it is a premium unit. So unlike many of the hydrogen generators out on the market, super cheap stuff, even bad for you, leaching metals into the body, this has been designed from the ground up. It has a patent pending DuPont membrane. You also have a double-walled or sealed chamber, double-walled glass, and then you also have your pressure seal. There's a protective sleeve for the Hydrolux. As you can see here, this unit has the protective sleeve on it. And this is, of course, if it tips over or anything, then you have that sleeve to protect the glass. You also have a valve here in the base to remove any excess precipitation that has actually built up inside of the device. Also, if you look at the research, which there's a plethora of research that we've been able to acquire, scientific research about what hydrogen can do for you. And we'll send you a link here in the description so you can check out some of that information because there's a plethora of benefits. We also noticed that many of these tests were also conducted with high concentrations of hydrogen. So we supply you with the cannula and inhalation cap for the process of actually allowing you to also inhale hydrogen, which is incredible. So you would take this cap and you would attach this cap to the top of your unit. As you can see here, very simple. You just screw it right onto the top of your unit. And then you're going to take your nasal cannula, which is here. Open this up so you can take a look at it. And this, of course, is going to go around your ears and into your nose, and then we'll be able to attach the end of this tube right into the valve here on top, and then you would activate the device. So let's talk a little bit about producing hydrogen water and how simple it is with this device. We tend to recommend that you use spring water or distilled water, any water that does not have chlorine. So if you have tap water, we recommend that you don't put tap water inside of the device, that you get a couple bottles of water or a couple gallons of distilled water. You can use that inside of the device and run the operation. The operation will take only 15 minutes for it to produce up to 3,000 parts per billion of hydrogen. And once you do that, then you're ready to go. As we mentioned, making molecular hydrogen with Hydrolux on the go is super simple. Obviously, this device is portable, so that means that it contains a rechargeable battery inside. When you first receive your unit, you're going to have to soak the membrane for minimum 4 hours to get it in the optimal condition to be able to produce molecular hydrogen. We recommend that you use spring water, distilled water, or any water that doesn't contain chlorine or a high amount of minerals. Today, I'm actually in a house that has well water, so I'm going to go ahead and fill up the device from the tap. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to avoid filling the bottle all the way to the rim, which we warn about inside of our manual. But there's obviously going to be a lot of pressure with this device. and filling it up approximately 1 to 2 centimeters from the top and giving a little bit of room for the production of hydrogen and the extra gas is beneficial. So once I screw on my cap, I'm going to then activate the device by pressing the power button on the device. You will hear a beep, and it is as simple as that. You don't need to do anything else. So it will generate hydrogen for approximately 15 minutes, and then it will beep again when it's complete. There is a USB attachment to the back of your device that you can utilize to plug in your device, especially if you're running low on the battery. You can also use an external battery that has a USB connection and actually power your device using an external battery. So that will give you a lot of energy to have multiple runs of hydrogen throughout the day. As you can see, making molecular hydrogen and administering it to yourself along with friends is super simple with the Hydrolux device. One of the additional perks that we're offering with this unit, because we have an affiliation at Secret Energy, is that if you introduce any of your friends or family to Hydrolux and you use your affiliate link, we'll give you $50 for every person that purchases a Hydrolux under your name. So that's another incredible incentive to take a look at this device. We also have, again, lots of scientific work on what hydrogen is capable of doing for your body, your mind, and your soul. And so we welcome that you check that out. The links are in the description, and I look forward to building with you soon. Wholeness.